With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is the alkaline earth metal nitrate that does not crystallize with water molecules is MgNO3 whole twice, SrNO3 whole twice, BaNO3 whole twice, or CaNO3 whole twice. So we are given that alkaline earth metal nitrate that does not crystallize with water molecule is. So as we know that alkaline earth metal are the group 2 elements, also known as alkaline earth metals, and the series goes as beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, then is barium and radium. So as we know that the alkaline earth metals are electropositive and possess 2 electrons in their outermost shell. So they form 2 positive cation and they are highly reactive. So as we know that they form magnesium, like the alkaline earth metals form nitrates, and the barium nitrate do not crystallize with the water molecule. So why barium nitrate? Because as we see now, as we know that down the group, the ionic or the atomic size increases as there is an addition of new shell down the group. So the effective nuclear charge decreases, and the effective nuclear charge means that the nucleus, the electron, like the nucleus is far away from the outermost shell, that is the valence shell, and do not hold the electrons very strongly. So the atomic size increases. Now barium nitrate does not crystallize, and now if we see that water molecule is H2, right? So water molecule is a small molecule. So the small molecules will obviously combine with the small metals, like you can say small metals of molecules, molecules of the metal, right? So the reason of this, now if we talk, like the options given is magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. So barium has the largest atomic size in among these 4 elements given here. So like we know that barium is larger in size, so the reason of this effect is due to size disparity. As like it means that as the size increases down the group, the salt is highly soluble in water due to less lattice enthalpy. Now, polar ions of nitrate anion attract the polar molecules of water as the size of cation is very large and very fewer molecules will crystallize. Because of the polar ions of nitrate anion attracts the polar molecules of water, attracts the polar molecule of water, and as the cation is very large, very few molecules will crystallize. Like we can say that the size of, if the size of cation is less, so the like it will attract the water molecules, the polar ions of nitrate ions. But if the size of cation is larger, so it won't crystallize with the water molecule. So if we see that the size of among these 4 elements is larger is of barium, right? So barium nitrate will not crystallize because of its large size. That is the size disparity. So the only correct option here is third option, that is barium nitrate.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.